Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Typeform in Elementor. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Typeform and you want to go ahead and make sure that this embeds into your Elementor website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Typeform. Then click on the form which you want to go ahead and embed. Then click on Share. Now on the left-hand side, you're going to see what I like to call embed in an email and embed on a web page. Click on Embed on a web page. You can see that you have different embeds here. Click on New Embed. Then click on Start Embedding. And you can embed your Typeform with WordPress or simply just get a general embed. And then click on Copy. And then this is the code that you're going to paste into your website builder. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and embed Typeform into Elementor. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.